Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and welcome back for my first video in 2018. Now I'm really sorry that I haven't uploaded in December. Well, I did upload in December, but at the end I just gave up because I was busy working, and I was like, you know what, let me just have a little bit of a break to get more ideas and video inspiration for 2018. And now here I am kickstarting this new year with a new Tested Thursday video. Now before that, I wish you guys all a happy new year, and hopefully this year may bring us all the happiness, all the luck and opportunities in the future. And in case you've celebrated Christmas, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had a very good Christmas. And yeah, as I said, to kickstart this new year, I'm gonna start again with my series. It is Thursday, and by the title of this video, I'll be doing a Tested Thursday video for you guys today. And you guys really enjoyed my testing series last year, so I thought, let me continue with this since I also enjoy testing new products. And for today's video, I'll be testing a new brow product from L'Oreal, and it will be the L'Oreal Paradise Pomade Ecstatic. Now this is fairly a new brow product from L'Oreal, and in case if you guys don't know, L'Oreal is one of my favorite brands. I love all of their products for skincare, hair care, makeup in that case. I love it a lot. And this one is the Paradise Brow Pomade. As I said, this is fairly new for the brand, and I'm really excited to test this since I've never tried a brow pomade. I have tried brow powders but not a pomade, so really excited. I haven't done my brows yet, so I'm gonna test this with you guys. And just looking on the Boots website on my phone, now they have 5 shades. When I was picking up my shade, I was really taking my time to check which shade is suitable for my brow tones. And the lightest one that I have is called 100 Blonde. The second one would be 102 Warm Blonde. Third one would be 103 Dark Blonde. The fourth one would be 104 Brunette, and the fifth one is the 105 Ebony. Now mine would be the 104 Brunette, and this is the right shade for me, I hope. And yeah, really excited to use it. The packaging reminds me of other companies that they have, like I think Anastasia Beverly Hills has like a similar one, and you just twist it like this. That's the brow pomade inside, and at the top, let me just show you guys, it has the brush as well. So the packaging is absolutely amazing, genius, and I really love the rose color as well. And I know I'm wearing a matching shirt, so oh well. But let's get onto the review. But before I begin, I forgot to tell you the price of this. It is $9.99, which is affordable for a brow pomade. I mean, I've seen more expensive ones, but honestly $9.99 is affordable and is available everywhere and every L'Oreal counter. And usually it's also on offer, like 3 for 2 in Boots. Like if you buy 3 products, you get the third one for free, which is also amazing. So yeah, it is affordable and easy to get everywhere. Okay, so I zoomed you guys a little bit closer. My face is all done. I just need to do my brows, and I also already plucked my brows, trimmed it, and all of that jazz. Now my camera is out of focus. There we go. So I already done my brows, like plugging and trimming and stuff, so it just needs the brow pomade. And I know that there is a spot just in the middle of my brow, so just please don't take appreciation of this, because it really drives me crazy at the moment, especially which I have to film or which I'm doing this brow tutorial for you guys. Okay, there's a brush, and just dip into the brow pomade. It is very soft, which is good, And the brush is also nice and soft. Well, not soft, it's a little bit hard, but it's easy to get the product. That's the thing, which is good. So I'm excited, guys. I'm gonna do the left one first and then moving on to the right one because I like to do one first. So let's go. Okay, so the left one is done and I'm really happy with it at the moment, so I'm just gonna quickly do the right one and we shall see how it goes. Alright guys, so my brows are done and let me have a look again to check if everything is perfect, and the answer is, oh my god, I was never ever so satisfied with the brow product than this. This is so good. Now you guys have seen how easy the application was, like with one swipes my brows were done. And I feel like the reason why it is, as it says also on the website, it is the formula is long wearing and smudge free and doesn't fade, which is important for a brow pomade. And you guys have saw how quickly it was to apply it, especially the formula was very soft and the brush that it comes is kinda a little bit angled and also hard, which makes it the application so easy and very precise to get into the front bit and also the outer bit to make the eyebrows snatched and perfectly on point, which I love. And oh my god guys, if I say so myself, my brows look amazing. I love how it's very like pointy, very sharp, very perfect, and the color of it, by the way, looks amazing as well. I'm really happy that I've picked up the right color, which is the 104 brunette. Now if you have the same complexion like mine, dark hair, then I would suggest you guys to go for the brunette. But as I said, they do have 4 other shades, so go to the lower counter and play around and see what's your favorite or what's the most suitable shade for you. And oh my god guys, I am so happy with this. My brows look amazing. I mean, you guys can see it yourself how it was before and how it's now. I mean, I know my brows are dark by itself, but I do like to fill them in and make them more darker because I do like the dark brow look, especially in the winter time. I think it's nice and very different. So yeah, and with this I will end this video. I'm gonna link the product down below, so if you guys are interested then please go and check it out. Pretty sure it's available everywhere since it has been a staple now, and it's gonna be now my staple in my collection, so I cannot wait to use this more. And if you guys have more suggestions for me to try, just do let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys all like this testy video. If you're interested to check out more of this series, then I'm gonna leave here a playlist for you guys to go and check it out. I've tested so many different other products last year, so I'll be very happy if you guys go and check it out. And yeah, I have nothing else to say, and thanks so much for watching, and until next time I will see you all in my next video. Bye.